Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this purple matte makeup look. So let's just get started. So today I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette. For starters, I'm going to use my blending brush and this crease color. So what you want to do is put it in the crease and also above the crease, because we're going to put another color right after. I'm going to show you. So you want to go all the way to the outer corner to the inner corner of the eye. So you really want to shape your eye and make some dimension. And also don't forget the inner eye, because you really want to create a lot of dimension to the eye. So next we're going to take that the brown color and put it in the crease, so a bit lower than the color we just put right before. And we're going to put it all the way to the inner corner to the outer corner. Also, you really want to build it up. Also, I wanted it to be actually kind of dark. And of course you do the same thing to the other eye. And then I just decided to put it all over my lid, so I have a base of the next color I'm going to put on for my makeup look. So you just want it to look something like this. Next I'm going to take another brush. This one is kind of like a blending brush, and I'm going to take that purple color and put it all over my lid. Honestly, it's better if you take an eyeshadow brush. I don't know why I didn't take that. So you really want to pack on the color on the lid. That's why I'm going to use my fingers actually, and with the fingers it's always the best friend, so it really works well. Also, you can always take the other purple color in the palette, so if you want something darker, for me this color work really well. And also I used it in another tutorial before. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see it. It's really simple, and that's why I used this purple instead. So next we go back with our brown color and the blending brush, just to make sure there's no lines in between the purple color and the brown. So you just want to work the crease to make everything seamless. So next I'm just going to clean up the eye with some concealer. You can use whatever concealer you have, it just has to be the same shade as your skin, so there's no demarcation, and just want to make sure it's well blended. And next I'm just going to do a wing liner using my tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I'm doing a pretty small liner. You can always do whatever liner you want, it's up to you. I just wanted a lot of dimension for my eyes. I wanted them to be a bit darker, so that's why I'm doing a wing liner. And always make sure that both eyes are the same. And next I'm using a pencil black liner from my waterline. Like I said before, just to add a lot of dimension, so my eyes kind of pop more. Next I took a pencil liner. I'm going to take that purple color. I'm gonna work the lower lash line. So I'm gonna start with the purple, put it all the way through on the lash line, so from the outer corner, from the inner corner. And next I'm gonna take my blending brush and use the two colors I used for my transition color and put it right under, just to blend everything in. For my mascara, I'm using again the Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. I really like it. The only thing I would say maybe it's that it's a bit wet right now, so once it dries up a bit it'll be perfect, because once it's wet it's almost like it can kind of clumps up your lashes, but other than that it's like a really good mascara. And next I'm going to use a bit of blush. I'm using my MAC Sweet As Cocoa blush for my cheeks. And then for my highlighter, I'm using my Becca Topaz highlighter. I just wanted to switch it up. This one is a bit more yellow compared to my other highlighters, so I'm going to use this one as a base first. And then I'm going to use my Amrezy highlight on top. And for my lips, I'm just doing the usual. I'm using my Rimmel brown liner. And then I'm going to use my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. I honestly didn't really like the way it was. That's why I added a glossy lips right on top. I don't know the name by heart. I'm going to link it down below as usual if you guys want to know the name. And then I'm just going to put my setting spray. This one is by Urban Decay. And add a bit more highlight, of course, after the setting spray. And of course, lashes. I didn't forget, I just wanted to be the last thing I put on. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just put them down below, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.